Good morning! So for today's video mga pangga is we're going to somewhere very special and this is today. And yes, Habi is wearing white and so am I kasi nga couple goals tayo mga be. Charis! I'm very excited mga pangga because this is my first time traveling going to this place and this is our first time flying together as a couple. And sobrang happy ko dito mga be kasi dati pinag-prepare ko lang that hopefully one day I will have my own in relationship na mag-stick together talaga, yung forever, yung hindi naghihiwalay. And it took me so long to find my man mga pangga kasi bihira lang kasi makahanap ng ganun yung soulmate mga pangga. And dumating na din ako sa point na I don't want to find someone else. I'm okay with myself and with my family. Kasi nga nakakatrauma yung mga sinishare ng friend ko, ng aunties ko, ng family, ng mga kakilala mo about the relationship. Kung hindi nag-cheat si guy, nag-cheat si girl, or this and that. Yung mga problems ganon. Yung hindi ko maisip na, kakayanin ko yung mga ganun. And thank God I found mine. I'm so happy. So anyway mga pangga, hindi ko alam. Nakalimutan ko na naman kung anong tawag sa place sa place dito. But this is where we are traveling, going to the airport from Bordon mga pangga. So kung alam nyo to, kung ano yung tawag dito sa lugar na to, ayan mga be, pinicturan ko na talaga yung lugar na yun ha, para maalala ko at makita ko kung ano yung pangalan, pero hindi ko mabasa dito kasi sobrang liit. Charis. Anyway, pwede ko naman i-zoom pero wag na, pagpatuloy tayo sa chika-chikanes. Ito yung biyahe natin na mag-chika lang tayo mga Pino. So like what I said mga be, this is my first time traveling or my first time flying in an airplane going to a new place with my partner because mostly kapag nagbibiyahe ako, kapag nung nasa Pilipinas, syempre LDR kami, ako lang mag-isa magbibiyahe and then siya mag-isa na pabiyahe. And this time, it so happened that we are going somewhere where we have to fly on together. I know, and when way back in the Philippines, hindi ko maalala, parang, hindi kami nag-airplane together because galing akong Negros going to Cebu and he was flying from UK going to Philippines and after that, nag-hire na lang kami ng sasakyan and he was driving there and most of the time as well, we just hire a driver at the same time yung sasakyan kasi hindi ko siya pinasakay ng jeep mga be kasi yung partner ko, oh my gosh, feeling ko talaga hindi siya magkasya sa jeepney na nandun sa Cebu. Magkakasya siya pero mahirapan yung mga passenger na sasakay or siya. But he managed to experience, I managed him to experience riding a jeepney. It's just that it's us, just the two of us together. So parang nirent namin yung whole jeepney, yung mini jeepney. Ganon. At least na-experience niya kung paano yung sa pagsakay doon. Sa trike naman, yes, he experienced riding a trike or yung tricycle or how do you call it? Yung motor, yung tricycle, yung experience din yun in Camotes. And we were also riding the motorbikes, which is the scooter, and that was also in Camotes. In Negros, we rent a car, so hindi niya na-experience yung pagbiyahe doon sa Negros, pero parehas lang naman sa Camotes, tricycle at saka motorbike yung transportation. And sa Cebu, yun, may jeepney doon and minibus, pero hindi na namin yun na-explore yung ganong moment kasi nagta-taxi, mainit din kasi mga B, and then I don't want him to be, suffering all of the time because during our vacation in Camotes, we do the snorkeling and fuck, it burns him. I mean, namumula talaga yung nagka-sunburn siya both shoulder and sobrang, feeling ko talaga nagiging lechon si Habi. Ewan ko, natutuwa ako na nalulungkot kapag naaalala ko yun kasi, parang pinapakita niya na okay lang siya, ayaw niyang tawag doon, hold yung mga adventures na gusto namin gawin kahit na alam kong masakit sa kanya. Kaya pinipilit ko din na I'll do my best to, you know. So we hire a car na lang papunta sa Negros nung birthday ni nanay nung umuwi kami. And ayun, buti na lang din umuulan during that time, rainy season during that time, July. Kasi hindi masyadong mainit mga be. Kapag sobrang init talaga, I can see him na ang pawis talaga hindi mo ma-control unless he would do some, I don't know, he had this spray to control it, like antiperspirant, like it's supposed to be on your yung kilikili, pero ginagamit niya minsan sa skin niya para it stops daw, it's blocking. So I thought it's not healthy, but maybe I'm wrong. So anyway, mga B, nandito na kami sa airport and we're just checking in. Actually, gusto niyang bilhan ako ng perfume, and I said, I'm not really into perfume. Yes, that's me, mga B. I mean, I'm wearing my perfume, but it lasted me like for a year now. Hindi kasi ako nagpe-perfume palagi, nakakaloka. Hindi ako mahilig sa sobrang, mga B, mabango, nakakahilo. Mild lang talaga yung sa akin, and then pag may nagustuhan akong perfume na ganyan, hindi na ako bumibili ng iba. Kaya ayun, si Habi na lang yung nagbili lang para sa kanya. And yeah, I forgot to tell you, mga be, after the travel from Bordon going to airport, we leave the car to somewhere's parking area, or their space. We just have to pay or rent it for a couple of days until we will get back. And it's like 15 minutes walk from their place going to the airport. And if you are hiring a cab or, like an Uber, like it costs you like just £5. That's just it. And then you will be in the airport. So, ayun mga be, nag-hire na lang kami. And then, pagpasok namin sa airport, ayun, busog naman kami kasi nagdala kasi ako, ayun si Habi, inuubo na naman. Nagdala kasi ako ng chicken. Nagluto ako ng chicken in the morning, and all at the same time, dinala na lang namin for lunch. Kaya, habang nasa biyahe kami kumakain, ayan, ako kumakain. Kakatuwa yung mukha ng buwangit na to. Ayan, kumakain kami. Kaya, nung pagdating ng airport, gusto ko na lang mag-snacks at gano'n din sa Habi, ng chocolate pa naman. And ayan, waiting kami kung magbo-boarding na after that. So, ready na kami to take off. I am really happy and thankful, mga pangga, that I have found the man that I wanted to marry and the man that I dream of marrying and staying with. Kasi bihira lang yun, mga be. Hindi lahat nakaka-experience ng ganong klaseng love. Yeah, people would always say, you're too young, your partner is old, you would be saying like that. But hindi naman kasi yun nakabase sa edad o sa status ng buhay, mga be. Kapag talaga na-feel mo na you are safe and you're comfortable and you love the person, parang ang gaan ng buhay, mga be. Parang hindi ka nagsisecond thought or nag-overthink. Yun lang yung, simple lang naman yung gusto ko sa buhay. Yung may 10 million sa bangko, tapos may malaking abakuran. Just kidding. Pero sa totoo, mga be, simple lang talaga. Gusto ko lang nakatira ako sa may bundok. Hindi talaga bundok na bundok, pero mountain area where there is a fresh air. Tapos you grow your own food. Hindi naman palaging you grow your own food and you kill your own food. Bibili din naman tayo sa market. Pero at least when it comes to vegetables, sa mga gulay, nandun lang sa garden. Gusto ko ako yung namimitas, yung fresh na fresh talaga yung mga ganon. Tapos magkaka-farm ka, you grow your own chicken, you lay eggs, and then pig. Yung mga ganon, simple lang yung gusto ko, mga be. Yung nasa yung alam ko na masaya ako kapag nandun, tapos kasama ko yung mahal ko sa buhay, when we are lucky to have our own kids. Gusto ko isa or dalawa lang, ayoko ng marami kasi hindi ko kaya, charis. Hindi, sa totoo lang mga either one or two kids lang yung gusto ko for us. I don't know if Happy wanted more, but for me, I just wanted one or two. So ayan, we're talking about the airplane flying in here. I mean, not the airplane, but it's the queen waving, saying goodbye. It's... Kayo ba? Anong gusto niyo sa buhay? Ano yung mga pangarap niyo? Kasi ako gusto ko lang talaga na kasama ko yung family ko. Yung nag-earn ako at the same time kasama ko sila. Ayoko yung nag-earn ako nang nag-earn tapos mapapalayo ako sa kanila. Ayoko ng mga LDR kanon. Pero buti na lang nalagpasan namin ni Happy. Hindi naman kami masyadong nagtiis ng LDR. Ilang months ba? Bago kami nagkita, it took us 5 months. And then, we lived together after mga 6 to 7 months. So, in total, fudge! 12 months? No, hindi naman ganon. Parang ang tagal. Okay, so almost 11 months kaming nagiging LDR in total. So, okay lang yun. Kaya doon sa mga LDR talaga na sobrang tagal. Oh, I'm so proud of you. Paano nyo na-handle yung mga ganyan? You know? Mahirap sa akin pag ganun eh. Mas, kasi ako, mas, yung love language ko is more on touch, hugging. I need someone to, be with me. Ang drama, ganun, charis. So, ito yun, guys. Nung nasa taas na kami, makikita mo yung mga windmill wherein Northern Ireland. Ayan. At my boat. Yun, makikita mo. Hindi ko na isasali dito yung ibang videos, charis. Kasi yung mga clips na yun, parang hindi naman nakikita eh. Parang, lang siya, blurry. And ayan, we're almost there. Touchdown soon. Ito talaga yung lugar na sobrang na-amaze ako since I went here in the UK. Ito yung lugar na napuntahan ko everyday most of the time, especially when Happy is not working. Nag-drive kami off town, like visiting at other places. They're all nice. I mean, they're fine. But during that time, most trees are not really green because winter season. Pero nung dumating kami sa Northern Ireland, wow! I was so amazed. God is so good because sabi nga ng mga nakatira doon, bihira lang daw yung init sa lugar nila. And during that time, the weather is so fine. Like, I think it's 14 to 18 degrees mga pangga, and it's so good because it's so funny actually. For them it's very very nice and very hot for them that you can see them wearing just the shorts, the thin clothes, and especially for women they can wear some crop tops, and I was so amazed how they did it. But for me, I'm still wearing my marshmallow coat because oh my gosh, mga pangga, Northern Ireland is hot, but when there's a wind, pag may hangin talaga mga bay, ay naku, mapifeel mo talaga na parang pinasok ka sa loob ng freezer, ng isang malaking freezer. Hindi lang siya yung pagbukas na it's cold like that. It's very, very cold. Like, you've been staying in the freezer for a minute or so. I know, exaggerating, pero ganun ako eh, ganun yung feeling kasi nasanay ako na sa Pinas, yung hot weather talaga yung hindi naman yung gustong-gusto ko, pero yung nakasanayan ng body ko. And even in my room in the Philippines, I don't use fan. Kung mainitan man ako is my good thing that we have an aircon in our house in the Philippines. So, yun, pag sobrang mainit talaga, pero bihira lang. In a month siguro, na-on ko lang yung aircon in like 4 to 5 times, ganon. So anyway, nagla-landing na talaga kami in the ground ng mga pangga in Northern Ireland. the bags, I guess. There's one. We're getting the bags. Here he goes. Where's the bag? Where's the bag, guys? Whoop. Grab it, honey. Another one. Good job. Finally going, guys. Yeah. Go.
That's right.
Oh shit. It's not playing actually. They're all running. We will be riding a train.
Well, we've got a choice. We can either
The view. No, I like the view better in the other side. There's nothing in here. The other side is way better. Bye.